Well, looks like we are very lucky. The rest of the island is going southeasterly, and where we are just tucked away from the wind. I mean, it's important to look at this when we go racing as well. We can see what the weather pattern is like, see if it's raining, what wind direction is blowing. I think we're probably going out here will be probably variable 5 knots. It was yesterday, and we'll go and have a look at today. This is actually Zoom Earth to check forecast for wind and rain. So you can look at it now. We're very lucky that we are blocked by the island. The rest of the island is actually blowing probably be 25-30 knots all around. If not, actually more, 55 km here. It's pretty windy, and we're just very lucky we're tucked away from the wind today. So we are able to go for a fish. Here's the boat, we're going fishing out on this. Siphoning, whoa, whoa, whoa. Little 40 horse in the back. The boat is actually homemade or home built apparently. Got my rod holder there, only one on the boat. It didn't look that big last time, I don't know why. It looked bigger today. There it is, Latoka, main wharf. What, new fridge? Oh, it's more spacious today. Yeah, so see the fridge down there? There is actually a fridge. Not a chili bin, a fridge. Oh, look like we're getting on. No, it's okay, it's okay. This time bring the bazooka. It's gonna go. Whoa! Pretty funny if I
With the reel.
left the handle. What the reel would left the handle. So smooth. Brand new. Same price as a blue one. Bye bye. I just laughed at the difference for them.
We haven't.
No, I haven't even put it together, so I can't roll up. Quite long, but should be okay.
Lead on it so you don't drop it.
There's actually a reef right in front of us here. You don't see at the moment. It's somewhere here where the boat is. Just before that island, remember? Yeah. It's probably just going over it now. Have to get the lure out to charge it up. It's got UV on it. Glows in the dark.
Night fishing.
Yeah. First lure we're going to be using is this 30 gram. I'm just lazy, just put a speed clip on it so I can change the jigs out anytime. Heavy is only a 40 gram jigs. We will be anchoring up to fish. So it's a bit hard to jig properly the proper way, but you just have to mix up the technique. a little bit, cast it forward, let it drift down. Hopefully there's a take on the bottom, and then slight sweep, retrieving it back, and get through the water column, bring it back up again, cast again. We're going to be fishing in 10 to 20 meters of water, so 40 gram, 30 gram, 20 gram, and some 14 gram jigs, to see what the currents is like, and we know what we're going to be using. Trace is actually a 30-pound fluorocarbon. It's a lot of reef. So once it rupts through, and that was it. That's the problem last time with the little rod. Buckled drag on the reel couldn't stop the fish going to the reef. Hopefully catch some salmon trout. Take some home.
टक पकड़े तो यार
तीन और मारो तब शुरू होगा
टक टक ही पकड़े हम बगल में खड़ा है क्या
नहीं बोले छोटा होता है नहीं कटिया है वो बड़ा बड़ा भाई सरू एक मार लेते लोग ये भी
Same fish? Is it?
It's the fried fish, small, like size.
Yep.
Huh?
It's fish. Fucking fish going to the rock.
Got it.
The fish went into the fucking rock again. Fuck. Trace is fucked. There's fish there in front. Big fish?
Oi.
थोड़ा इधर है थोड़ा होगा
पंगो पंगो है कोई कोई वो दोनों है बड़ा था नगिस पकड़े पड़ी
Ayo.
ये
बताइए जरा
ये
बताइए जरा
होता है समन को उठावे तीन और मार दो बस खलास
ये तो फेसबुक ला फोटो आवे
Yeah.
ये साइज है
फोटो फोटो कर दो इसकी
मछली की फोटो मांगे अलग से
Nice. Every time just spent on the reef. Not again. Oh, right on.
निकल गया
Whoa, shark!
Hey,
Whoa!
शक है
hey, Papa.
Finally! Oh, fuck!
Give me, take it.
Too small. Too small. Right. Shark.
बड़ा सारा था बड़ा मछली है पकड़ ले बच्चा आएगी तुम लोग ये कर दिखते नहीं
Today,
This is called gear casting.
today.
What's gonna happen?
Excited, ready? चल दी चल Run.
ठीक है तो देख लेते हैं मिलता हूँ
Every time you get the bait. That's the fish for lunch, is it?
That's right.
That's $40 already. Enjoy coriander.
Yeah, special order. Huh?
फ्राई फ्राई करके तुम देखना
Yeah. Tomorrow morning,
That's our end of our little fishing trip. Didn't catch as much fish as I expected. Those salmon cod, it's actually quite hard